Welcome. From me is the Samsung Galaxy F12, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. And to get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture. I'll be using settings as an example for this. And once it's open and visible, simply press power key and volume down at the same time, just a simple click of those. You'll have this animation as you just seen around the borders. From here we can tap allow so it can be saved, and additionally you can see there's a button, several of them to be more precise, but this one will allow you to capture a longer version of a screenshot. That is one of the reasons why I opened up settings, because you can scroll up and down on it. Then we have a tag option, I believe, or edit one, where it allows you to basically resize the image. And lastly we have a share. So going back to the scrollable one, I'm gonna quickly show you what this does. So when you tap on it, it scrolls down a little bit, then you can tap on it again and continuously scrolls down. If you choose to leave it like that, it will disappear after a second and capture this elongated version of it. There we go. So once you capture your screenshot, you can then find it in your photo gallery right here. You can see today. Now, even though technically I captured a short screenshot and then I also did it the long one, when you do a single screenshot of it, basically it counts as a press of the two buttons, and you decide to make it a long one, it will override the small one with this one. So as you can see, this is the long version. But anyway, this is how you'd capture a screenshot on this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.